a question that has echoed through millennia. Where was God before the universe? It is a profound query that delves into the very essence of our existence and the nature of divinity. This question is not merely a theological curiosity. It's a testament to the human desire to understand our place in the grand tapestry of reality. Yet as we stand on the precipice of scientific discovery and theological contemplation, the answer remains shrouded in mystery. The Genesis account provides an account of creation in which the universe came into being through divine action. The opening words of this account are, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth." This statement implies that prior to this creative act, there was nothing, no time, no space, no matter. It was a state of non-being or nothingness. But the idea of nothing is itself a concept, something that can be thought about. Therefore, it cannot be truly nothing. And if there was something, then how could everything come from nothing? And what was that something? So the question of where God was before the universe still persists. To embark on this journey, we must first define our terms. What do we mean by God? For the purposes of this discussion, let's adopt a broadly religious definition, referring to a supreme being, a creator, an entity that exists outside the bounds of the universe as we know it. Secondly, what do we mean by the universe? We're talking about the totality of existence, everything that is, was, or will be, including space, time, matter, and energy. Now, with these definitions in mind, let's consider the prevailing theories within the scientific community. One prominent view is the Big Bang Theory. According to this theory, the universe originated from a state of extreme density and temperature, an infinitely small point known as a singularity. The Big Bang Theory elegantly explains many observed phenomena, such as the expansion of the universe and the cosmic microwave background radiation. However, it leaves us with more questions than answers. If the Big Bang Theory is true, it begs the question, what existed before the singularity? Did time have a beginning? And if so, how can infinite density and temperature exist within a finite space? These are riddles that science alone may never solve. Another scientific perspective comes from quantum physics. Some interpretations of quantum physics suggest that our universe is just one of many, possibly infinite, universes, each with its own laws of nature. In this view, the question of where God was before the universe might find its answer in the vast expanse of the multiverse. However, this concept remains highly speculative and largely untestable. The idea of the multiverse, while intriguing, does not provide a concrete answer to our question. In the absence of definitive answers from science, philosophy offers its own set of perspectives. One philosophical approach is the argument from motion. This argument posits that for something to start moving, there must be an initial mover, an unmoved mover that sets everything in motion. This leads to the conclusion that since the universe is in motion, there must have been a God to set it into motion. However, this argument can be challenged. Some philosophers have argued that the universe could have always existed in its current state of motion, and the concept of an initial mover is not necessarily required. Another philosophical perspective is the cosmological argument. This argument is based on the apparent order and complexity of the universe. The intricate design of the cosmos, with its finely tuned physical constants, suggests that it was not the result of mere chance. Instead, it points to the existence of an intelligent designer, a God who created the universe for a purpose. However, this argument too faces challenges. Critics argue that the apparent design of the universe can be explained by natural processes such as evolution, and that the concept of a divine designer is unnecessary to explain the complexity of life. As we navigate these philosophical debates, we encounter another intriguing concept, that of eternity. The traditional view of eternity is linear time without a beginning or an end. In this view, the concept of before doesn't apply because time itself didn't begin. However, some philosophers have challenged this notion, arguing that eternity should be understood as timeless. In this perspective, the past, present, and future coexist, and the idea of a beginning for time is a human construct. So where does this leave us in our quest to answer the eternal question? The truth is that this question, like many profound mysteries of existence, may not have a definitive answer that satisfies everyone. Our understanding of the universe and our place within it is constantly evolving. As we make new discoveries and explore the depths of space and time, our perspective on existence will undoubtedly shift. However, in the absence of a concrete answer, this question serves as a powerful catalyst for introspection and spiritual growth. It compels us to examine our beliefs, to challenge our perspectives, and to contemplate the very essence of our being. It reminds us of the boundless curiosity that has driven humanity throughout history, urging us to seek, to question, and to explore. The question of where God was before the universe is not just a theological or philosophical debate. It's a reflection of our innate desire to comprehend the mysteries of existence. It's a testament to our insatiable curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Whether we find an answer that satisfies our intellect or remain in awe of the eternal mystery, this question enriches our understanding of ourselves and the universe we inhabit. It is important to acknowledge that different individuals and communities may hold diverse and deeply personal beliefs regarding the nature of God and the origins of the universe. Some may find solace and certainty in faith-based explanations, while others may find meaning in scientific theories or philosophical musings. Ultimately, the question of where God was before the universe is a deeply personal one. In a world that often emphasizes empirical evidence and scientific thinking, it's essential to recognize the value of these introspective and spiritual pursuits. They not only expand our intellectual horizons, but also enrich our lives with purpose and meaning. In the spirit of open-mindedness and mutual respect, we encourage everyone to engage with this question thoughtfully. Let the quest for understanding and the exploration of the unknown be a source of unity, fostering meaningful conversations and a deeper appreciation for the complexities of existence. Whether we arrive at definitive answers or not, the journey itself can be a transformative experience, shaping our perspectives and deepening our understanding of the profound mysteries that lie at the heart of our universe. And remember, in the grand tapestry of existence, each individual thread, each belief, each perspective, no matter how different, contributes to the richness and beauty of the whole. Embrace the diversity of thought, for it is in the tapestry of our collective wonder that we find the most intricate and awe-inspiring patterns. Thank you for joining us on this thought-provoking journey as we've delved into the age-old question, where was God before the universe? It's been an exploration that has taken us to the very limits of human understanding, where the boundaries between science, philosophy, and spirituality converge. If you found this discussion thought-provoking, don't hesitate to share your insights and experiences. Your comments have the power to enrich this conversation further and inspire others on their own spiritual journeys. And as we continue to explore the depths of existence, we invite you to subscribe and join us in our upcoming videos. Together, let's keep seeking, keep questioning, and keep discovering the wonders that surround us. Until next time, may your own journey of discovery bring you clarity and peace. Remember, in the grand tapestry of existence, your thoughts and beliefs are the threads that make up your unique masterpiece. Weave them with care, for they will shape the masterpiece of your life.